Hey guys, what's going on? CCB here. Back with another one box break. This is 2017 Panini Contenders Draft Picks Baseball. This stuff's great. You know, it's got the printing plate autos, on card autos, your top prospects, your brand new draft picks, some veteran autos in their college days. So let's get right into it. Configuration is 6 packs per box, and there's 6 autographs per box. Alright. Pack 1. Let's find where the auto is. Tony Gwynn, Control, Clemens, Bo Jackson, and the auto, David Peterson. I don't know the name, but went to the University of Oregon. Picture. Alright, moving on. Next pack. Base, Kyle Lewis, Zach Collins, Nixon Zell, Keston Hichora. I know I'm butchering his last name, but he's a top pick for the Brewers. Really like him out of college. It's a nice auto there, on card. Alright. Pack 3. That's cool, John Elway. Mark McGuire. Reggie Jackson, another John Elway. AJ Pucks and Zell. Shane Baz. Oh, number 98 of 99. Shane B.A.Z. Baz. High school. Not bad. Another on-card auto there. Alright, 3 packs down, 3 to go. Corey Ray, Elway, Collins, Biggio. Mostly the same players. Alex Lang. On-card auto there. Auto's kind of all over the place, but still a nice auto out of LSU. I want to say he's on the Cubs right now. Alright, 2 more to go. Barry Larkin. Alright, those are both backwards, so I think one of them's a numbered and then one of them is an auto. Alright, so Craig Biggio, number to 99. And then the auto, Willie Adams, Tampa Bay prospect. Not too bad. Last pack of the break. Hopefully we get something big here. Barry Larkin. Oh, nice. Ronnie Rojas. Yankees. Some PC right there. 24 out of 99. Sticker auto. That is a terrible autograph. Jeez. Alright, so we'll do a little recap. Not bad box, you know. It's what you're expecting. Ronnie Rojas auto. Willie Adams auto. Craig Biggio to 99. Alex Lang auto. Shane Baz auto to 99. Keston Hijiora. And David Peterson. Thank you guys. Be sure to come back, like, and subscribe. Thank you.